Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add poll on Instagram caption. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store and you need to update Instagram application. Once you update, you simply need to open Instagram, click on the plus icon in the bottom and create a post or reel, so it is up to you. So I'm going to create a post, for example, click on next and click on next again. Once you are here you can see an option of write a caption. So in the latest update, you can see an option here, add a caption. So if you have that option, you simply need to click on that and you can add caption. Currently that option is not available in my country, so that's why I'm unable to update. But you simply need to add caption here, like where you want to travel, where you want to travel. And in the bottom you can see add caption, add poll option. You simply need to click on that and you can add poll. Click on OK and post that onto your Instagram profile. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.